Hey friends, welcome back to CT Academy. Today, we're looking at another smart tool for managing AI risks. It's called a PESTLE analysis. PESTLE stands for political, economic, social, technological, legal, environmental. It's a strategic method to understand all the external factors that could impact how AI is built, used, and regulated. Let's break down each part. Political. Are there government policies or political tensions that affect AI use? For example, rules about surveillance or funding for AI research. Economic. Is the economy strong enough to support AI projects? Inflation, global trade, or investment trends can all affect AI growth. Social. What do people think about AI? Are there fears around job loss or trust issues? Public opinion matters a lot. Technological. How fast is tech changing? Are there new tools or platforms that make AI better or more risky? Legal. What laws apply to AI? Think of data protection rules, the EU AI Act, or copyright laws. Staying compliant is key. Environmental. Does AI use too much energy? What's its carbon footprint? As we build smarter systems, we need to think green too. A PESTLE analysis helps organizations see the big picture, beyond just data and code. It's all about understanding the world AI operates in, so we can spot risks early and find new opportunities. Want to explore more tools like this? Head over to ctglobal.my. Stay smart and see you next time.